I'll show you how to screen record on laptop and desktop. I'll also show you some settings with which you'll be able to record at the highest quality. For this, we will be using a free and powerful software called OBS. Search on Google OBS and click on the first link obsproject.com. If you are on Windows, select Windows. If you are on Mac, select Mac. Download the software and install it. Now you will get an interface like this. Click on Settings. We need to make some changes. Go to the Output tab. Make sure Output mode is set to Advanced. Click on this Recording tab. Now select a folder to save your recordings. For the recording format, if you are recording shorter videos, then select .mp4. If you are recording longer videos, then select .mkv. This software has the option to automatically convert your .mkv file into .mp4. For the video encoder, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, then select NVIDIA NVENC H.264. If you have an AMD GPU, then you will have the option AMD GW X.264. If you do not have a GPU, then just select X264. Keep audio encoder as FFmpeg AAC. Leave audio track to 1 if you do not have a mic. If you want to record your mic as well as your computer audio, then select track 2. Now OBS will record your voice as well as your computer audio. Leave rescale output to disabled. Custom Muxa settings should be blank. Uncheck automatic file splitting. For the encoder settings, rate control should be CBR, bitrate should be 25k kbps, keyframe interval should be 2 seconds, presets should be best quality, tuning should be high quality, multipass mode should be full resolution, profile should be high, GPU 0, max bframes 2. Click on apply and then OK. Now go to audio tab, make sure sample rate is set to 48, channels should be set to stereo. Select your speakers or headphone from here. Select your mic from here. And then click on apply and then OK. Come to the video tab. Keep your base resolution and output resolution at the maximum resolution that your monitor supports. Then click on apply. Come to the hotkeys tab. Now set at least 4 hotkeys for start recording, stop recording, pause recording and unpause recording. I have set mine to F4, F5, F6 and F2. Come on the advanced tab, check automatically remarks to MP4. Now this will automatically convert the .mkv file into MP4. Click on OK. Now you are ready to record. For this we need to add a source. Click on this plus icon to add a source. Select display capture. Make sure this box is checked. Click on OK. If you want to capture cursor, make sure this is checked. If you do not want to capture your cursor, uncheck this. Click on OK. If you want the computer audio to be low, drag this slider to the left. And this is your microphone volume level. If you only want to record the voice along with your screen, then turn the computer audio off. If you want to record your voice along with your computer audio, then make sure your desktop audio volume is lower than your microphone volume level. Now you are ready to record. Now click on start recording or use the hotkey that we have assigned earlier. Now once you have recorded, your files will be saved in the recording folder.